Today we are going to talk about Canada Immigration New Update. In this video, we will talk about
how to apply for Canadian permanent residence with a criminal record.
If you are interested in this kind of topic, please watch till the end of this video for latest updates and news. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for future notification update. Let's get to the video.
Here is what you need to know before applying for PR with a criminal record. Canada wants new permanent residents, PRs, in fact, more than 1 million of them. Nearly 60% of these new arrivals will come to Canada as skilled workers. Express entry is the main way that Canada processes skilled worker applications. Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) released its most recent immigration levels plan on October 30, 2020. This plan calls for over 400,000 new PRs in 2020, 410,000 in 2021, and 420,000 in 2022. There are several ways to become a Canadian PR. You might be living abroad or already be in Canada. You may go from having no status in Canada straight to PR. Or, if you are an international student or temporary foreign worker, you might convert temporary status to permanent residence. You might qualify as an economic immigrant, family member, or refugee. As well, you may be a federal selection or a provincial nominee. It is important to note that a criminal record can exclude you from applying for permanent residence. Fortunately, there is a way to overcome this obstacle if you believe you may be criminally inadmissible to Canada. If you want to apply for Canadian permanent residence but have a prior conviction, you must be considered rehabilitated in order to receive PR status. Applicants with a criminal record wishing to stay in Canada may have the option to pursue a temporary resident permit (TRP) instead of criminal rehabilitation (CR). However, a TRP must be renewed, whereas successful rehabilitation permanently resolves the problem of criminal inadmissibility for future stays in Canada. The Canadian government offers the CR application for those who can show a major, positive change since being convicted of a crime. This is a process that clears your record for the purpose of entering Canada, whether as a visitor or permanent resident. Once approved, CR is permanent, as long as you do not commit another offense. Being criminally rehabilitated can ease any worry about being turned away at the border or being denied permanent residence because of a criminal record. Many offenses, including theft, driving under the influence, DUI, and assault can pose issues and result in a person being considered inadmissible to Canada. Criminal rehabilitation is only available for convictions outside of Canada. If you were convicted of an offense in Canada, depending on the circumstances, you may have to seek a pardon from the Parole Board of Canada. In order to be eligible for CR, at least 5 years must have passed since you completed your sentence. A sentence can include prison or probation time, payment of fines, and any required community service or classes. If you have an unresolved case or a warrant, you are not eligible to apply. When someone is interested in applying for criminal rehabilitation, the translation of the person's criminal history into the Canadian equivalent has significant importance. This process requires a close reading of Canada's criminal code in relation to the laws of the country in which the person was convicted. The Canadian government charges a processing fee for CR. The amount of this charge depends on if the criminal record is based on non-serious or serious criminality. The cost is $200 CAD for non-serious criminality and $1,000 CAD for serious criminality. Criminal inadmissibility is a serious matter, especially when a person is interested in immigrating to Canada. It can prevent you from realizing your Canadian dream. However, there is a pathway to becoming admissible. Your eligibility and conditions will depend on a variety of factors. If you think you may be eligible for criminal rehabilitation, a good first step to take is to read more about criminality issues in Canada to learn how to address your unique situation the right way.
We hope this video is helpful. Our channel will be published a new video when information is available about Canada immigration updates or requirements. If you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell icon. See you in the next video.